traders, good morning. Welcome back to another webinar. And I hope you already are having a great weekend. So let's try to go ahead and make this weekend productive by analyzing the data points which took place in the last week and get ourselves prepared for the upcoming week. So to start off with, let's try to analyze what is actually moving the index and how the indices performed in the last week. So now talking about Nifty, so Nifty dropped 3%. Talking about in terms of points, the change was almost 550 points. Right now, Nifty is trading at 17,023. Talking about what actually drive the index higher, it was all about the IT space, IT pack, which was, driving the index, trying to hold the index, if not driving the index. IT was the only sector which witnessed a positive momentum. Talking about Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech are the instruments which actually were contributing positively towards the index. What dragged the index down so much? It was all about the heavyweights going down. Talking about Reliance, HDFC Bank are the stocks which dragged the index down heavily. Now talking about sectoral contribution, except IT, no sector contributing positive. Now coming to the Bank Nifty front over here. So talking about Bank Nifty front, since last 1 week, it has dropped almost 4%, right now trading at 35,750. Which stocks are actually dragging the index down? Again, the index heavyweight like HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI are the stocks which are dragging the index down. Now let's quickly analyze the historical build-ups, how the participants build their positions. So let's try to quickly first understand about Bank Nifty front. Now talking about Bank Nifty front, if we see that in such a big data, Bank Nifty has witnessed a lot of short build-ups and very few long. So if we count the long build-ups, couple of long build-ups here and couple of long build-ups here. So Bank Nifty since 27th of October 2021 up till the current day, I just witnessed 4 long build-ups. Whatever the rest up moves are, those are owed to short coverings. So the up move in Bank Nifty is propelled by the short covering move, the existing shorts getting covered, which indicates that Bank Nifty is in hands of bears. And if we see, the data tells us the same thing. It has witnessed historically a lot of short build-ups happening. Whatever the up moves are, they are only due to a short covering scenario. So what we need to do before going long on Bank Nifty, wait for some short coverings, then followed up by a long, because we want the existing pressure to get cleared out first and then try to participate in the long build-up. Now coming to the Nifty analysis over here. So Garam, if we talk about Nifty's analysis in this particular point, again the same data, but still in Nifty we saw here and there some kind of a long build-ups, but recently again it has witnessed a rally of a short and a short covering, which again hints about a kind of certain weakness in Nifty, but although it is not as weak as the Bank Nifty. Now talking about the range of Nifty, it is trading exactly at the highest put strike. So Nifty support stands at 17,000 first. But the scenario is that if Nifty, sustains below this level, where is the next support? So the next support directly stands at 16,500. So watch out for short coverings to happen on the put side, followed up by a long build up, or I would say, shorts getting added on the call side, indication of the resistance getting built up and the support getting weaker. So what we need to do is wait for Nifty to sustain below the level of 16,850 and watch out for some amount of short coverings happen to on the put side, which indicates you the the put writers wariness and the support getting broken. Now coming to the Bank Nifty front. Now talking about the range, by the way, so talking about the range, no doubt 17,000 stands like our immediate support. Immediate resistance, immediate hurdle can be seen at 17,300 call strike. Although, there is a significant put writing directly standing at 16,500. So the range is very simple. If this gets broken, which is 17,000 and Nifty sustaining below the level of 16,850, then the range becomes this one, which is 16,500 to 17,300. But if Nifty manages to sustain above 17,000, then we might see a good range up till 17,000 till the level of 17,500. Now coming to the Bank Nifty front, again Bank Nifty, dropping significantly over here. Immediate support stands at this level, 35,500 strike, which has a significant quantum of put writing, and the major support also stands at 35,000. Immediate hurdle, where the immediate hurdle lies, so if the immediate hurdle lies at 36,000 call strike. So the range in Bank Nifty is very simple. The smaller range is 35,500 up till the level of 36,000. The broader range is 35,500 up till the level of 36,500. Now coming to the volume analysis, so if we see the volume levels over here, Bank Nifty of last 3 months since 28th of September till the current day, it has witnessed, a decent amount, I would say, kind of very small volume over here at this level. But the fact is, this is the level where Bank Nifty is ideally taking a support, which is the level of 35,900. And by the way, Bank Nifty is already trading above that, or I would say trading below that vital level where there is a cluster zone of volume. Now, if we talk about Nifty friends, so if we see that 17,900 or I would say 17,100 has, a decent, again, a small quantum of volume over here. But generally, we have seen that Nifty, whenever it approaches this level, it doesn't manage to sustain below it. Generally, it rebounds from this particular level. So if we see, Nifty going down, if we are planning a short trade on Nifty, wait for this level to get broken, which is the level of the last support which we saw, where Nifty took a support, which is the level of 16,950. So moment Nifty makes a low of 16,900, we might expect a good move on the downside from there on, because number one, short covering might happen on the put side. Number two, there is not a lot of significant volume which is giving a support at this particular level. So now coming to the pick of the week. So pick of the week for this week is basically Bata India. Wherein Bata India, if we talk about, despite Bata India being in a correction mood, but still it didn't witness a lot of short built up. It just witnessed one and two short built ups in such a big data. Whatever the moves, whatever the depths were, they were only due to a long unwinding scenario instead of a fresh short built up. Now here is a small trick over here in terms of Bata India. If we see the OI data now, so the OI data shows us that okay, it is trading at a level where there is a huge quantum of put OI getting added, indication of the support getting stronger. Okay, number one. Number two, there is, the highest put directly stands at 1800. Okay, now the instrument is on a down move. So our number one move would be that if instrument reverses from this level, we should wait for the level of 1900 to get broken for the up move, because post that directly the resistance stands at 2000. Okay, now coming to the negative side, let's say Bata India corrects move, then watch out for level of 18,000. So now talking about technical analysis on Bata over here. So if we see that, instrument ideally is taking at support and significant support at this particular level, right? Somewhere around the level of 1850, and then it kind of rebounds. Now, if we talk about the analysis we did in open interest front, that also showed us the same thing. Watch out for level, on the upside of 1900 to get broken, so that directly the hurdle stands at 2000, number one. Or number two, wait for the level of 1800. So just to summarize, number one, Nifty is trading at a vital support of 17,000. Wait, for Nifty either to sustain below the level of 16,900, so that we might expect a short covering to happen on put side, and the directly, a significant put stands straight away at 16,500. Coming to the Bank Nifty front, it has been in the hands of bears recently, and also it sees a significant quantum of put writing directly at the lower strikes. Now talking about the stock specifically, Bata India, despite market witnessing such heavy short build-ups, Bata India, whatever the dips were, they were owed due to long unwindings. Either wait, the instrument to correct down till the level of the highest put, or else if instrument, moves up from here, watch out for the 1900 level to get broken on the upside. So yeah, I would say that was it from this weekly analysis. Thank you so much for staying tuned along with me up till here. If you have liked this weekly analysis, do with the like button, do with the subscribe button, and do with the bell icon. Thank you.